On behalf of Expert Village, I am Nicholas the Storyteller, here in Miami, Florida, and today I'm going to teach you how to tell a story. Verisimilitude is a very big word, but it's important. It's important. It means that something fits where you put it, and you have to watch that as a storyteller. Let me give you an example of poor verisimilitude. If you have a knight fighting a dragon, are you going to arm him with a plastic sword? No. It wouldn't fit. You're violating the rule of verisimilitude. A story has to be believed in order to make it a good one. Verisimilitude. So, just watch what you put in your stories. And put the right things in, because that's important too. It is. That's a very important thing.